Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I've been on this, so thank you for hanging in there with me. Don't forget, I do have two Borla attack mufflers for a C7 Corvette that I'm waiting to give away when I hit 500 subscribers, and I'm inching closer to that day by day, so if you guys could help me out and go ahead and like and subscribe, we'll go ahead and get those mufflers out to you as soon as possible. And there's some other things that I'm going to be giving away on this channel as well. So today I'm going to go ahead and do a big brake kit on my Victory Magnum from Arlen, Ness. I will put a link in the description where I got them from, and so you can pick them up if you want to. Other than that, go ahead and enjoy the video today, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great day, be safe, and please don't forget that if you're going to speed, make sure you keep it under 100, because you know what? If you don't, it's your ticket. Be safe and have a great day.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.